Hey everyone, welcome to the Urban Garden. Winter has arrived and it's way too cold to grow outside. However, with the newest indoor growing technology and easy access to informative videos like this one, growing your own food indoors has become so easy even your grandma can do it. In this upcoming series, we're going to share with you our journey in turning this empty space into a full-fledged garden. First things first, let's get some seeds started. We have a variety of packs that came from last year, so let's just pick out a few. Next, we're going to need a medium. My preferred way to start seeds at this point is just plain old Jiffy Pea pellets in a humidity dome. We just picked these up from Amazon, and we'll leave a link below in case you want to use these exact same products. We start by hydrating the pellets and allowing time for them to expand. While waiting, we should get our plant tags labeled. Alright, now once the pellets are hydrated, we can just simply take them out and put them in the cells here and begin to sow our seeds. Since the majority of these seeds are quite small, most of them are going to sit right on the surface of the medium. We'll close the dome on these and set them in a safe place. What's up is down, what's left is right. At this point, the clock is ticking and we need a plan for the future. In our basement, I have set up this 4x8 grow tent, which is the space I'll be using for the majority of this grow. I highly recommend growing in a grow tent, one, because it's easy to control the environment, and two, because the reflective walls help keep that valuable light in. Originally, this tent was set up with two really nice lights from Mars Hydro. Unfortunately, at the moment, those lights are currently in police custody.
That's a different story altogether. Nasty business, really.
Over the next few days, I'll be checking on these and opening the dome at least twice a day to air them out. This helps prevent any funguses or molds from growing, which will definitely hurt your seeds. Once the seeds started to sprout, I just threw them under this little shop light I have, just to get them going until the big tent is ready. Thank you for being here. We really appreciate it, and thank you for watching this video to the end. Please hit that like button to help this video spread to other people, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you see all of our future content. And remember, never stop growing.